Hey YouTube people, so Mr. Jeff Bezos' business marketing tip: obsess over customers. This is a customer first approach, and the reason we would do this is because it increases the chances of repeat customers. We want them coming back and back and back and back multiple times. That's where the money is made, because the cost of acquisition of a customer on the front end the first time they want to purchase is far greater than the cost of marketing to get them to become a repeat customer. It is much easier to get somebody to go on a second date with you than it is to get them to go on the first one. Not that I would know much about dating. Women seem to flee from my presence. But this only works if you provide a fantastic customer experience the whole way through the process of them using and interacting with your brand. One single bad experience can ruin it for a lifetime for a customer. So it's important that you craft a fantastic customer experience the whole way through, so they keep on coming back and back and back and back and back and back again. That is Jeff Bezos' #1 tip for marketing and business, and how he was so successful in growing Amazon. Customer first approach. See if you can apply that into your own businesses. Subscribe for more marketing tips and have a fabulous day. It's out.